Oh my God! What happened to the TV? Hindi na ako makapag-scan ng channel. It always says search failed. Nangyayari din ba sa inyo yan? Oh my God. Hello Yalisa, how y'all doing today? This is your boy Alex T and welcome back for another video. And yes, sobrang tagal na rin simula na nakagawa ko ng huling video ko. It's 3 weeks ago, magwa 1 month na yata. Napahinga ako because ang nangyari talaga sa akin is nagkaroon ako ng acne talaga na sobrang dami sa mukha ko. Pero ngayon okay na siya. Medyo matuyo-tuyo na yung iba. That's why nagkaroon na ako ng guts na mag-video ngayon. So for today's video, meron tayong nagiging problem with our TV Plus dito sa bahay ng nanay ko. Ang nangyayari is hindi ako mapag-search ng channel because it always says search failed. For today's video and since tech din tayo, susubukan kong i-share sa inyo yung basic the troubleshooting, how to fix this kind of problem or maybe concern, hindi lang ng nanay ko pati rin yung mga users din ng TV Plus na hindi pa gumagamit pa users ng TV Plus nakaka-experience din ng ganito. So let's start. From search failed, i-okay muna natin siya. Okay. And actually yung lalabas yung ads lang. So technically, nagagamit pa naman natin yung remote control, so pwede natin ma-access yung setting. So all you have to do is, para ma-access yung setting is press mo lang po yung menu, then select setting. From setting, makikita nyo dyan yung mga selections. So all you have to do is pumunta doon sa manual search. Okay, so from manual search, makikita natin yung frequency, the strength, and the quality. Yung bandwidth is disregard. Kung ano lang yung nakikita nyo yan, yan na yung pinaka-default niya. Kahit magbago yung frequency, yung bandwidth is still 6,000. Unless kung hindi naman siya nasa-select, so hindi naman siya magagalaw. Right? So, from frequency of ABS-CBN, alam naman natin na ang frequency ng ABS-CBN sa NCR 647.148. So, para mas madali, i-type na lang ninyo using remote control ng data. So, it's 647.143. Okay, then press OK. Okay, so since 100, nag-100 na yung program process and still yung strength and quality is hindi nakakaroon ng numbers, ibig sabihin yung TV Plus, yun, so nagkaroon ng 1725. Ibig sabihin, there's a chance na makakuha tayo ng mataya sa signal. Just to check lang natin yung antenna na ginagamit natin. Okay? Alright, from the TV Plus, you need to check the antenna connecting to TV Plus. So, ito yun. So, I'll disconnect. And then, check nyo yung antenna pin. Yung antenna pin is itong parang karayan na to na nasa gitna ng barrel connector natin na silver. So, all you have to do is kailangan kasi is yung pinaka-barrel connector niya is medyo nakalabas yung dulo. Barrel connector pin niya is nakalabas yung dulo doon sa pinaka-silver na iniikot natin. So, ayan. Yung nakikita niyo medyo ano lang siya, Pantay lang siya. So, tingnan natin. Antena na hindi na naayos or talagang lubog na or putol yung pinaka-antena pinya, pwede kayong gumamit ng ibang antena like balloon antena, pwede yan ng glass. Okay, so yan, technically nakita na natin yung dulo na, so susubukan natin siya i-connect ulit sa TV glass. So now, nagkaroon siya ng signal. I don't know kung ano lang nangyari dun sa TV Plus. Siguro lumuwag lang yung pagkakalaki ng antenna, so ay isang reason. Or nagkaroon ng problem yung antenna, like naputol yung kable, or nabagsak yung antenna stick sa taas, or nabasa yung antenna stick. Yun yung mga reason kung bakit hindi na yung signal na nasasagot ng TV Plus 2. So yeah, so ang signal requirement natin is for strength 30 pataas and quality is 50 pataas. Let's see up. Mataas na nga yan. As long as yung signal is hindi nag-fluctuate from 30 bababa and then yung quality is 50 bababa, it's good to go. So press lang natin yung okay since ako natin i-record strength and quality. And check in total TV habang nagpo-program process. Boom! So, meron tayong 6 channels na nakuha. So, pwede natin siyang i-exit.
Ang susunod na programa ay
So, check natin kung anong channel.
At gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Are you ready, kids? I can't hear you.
Okay, so ibig sabihin, ABS-CBN channel na ito. So, tignan natin yung ibang channel ni ABS-CBN. So, meron tayong Sports Plus, cinemo, yay, ETML, KBO. Basically, hindi siya naka-register for today's or for this week's movie marathon. And next is ABS-CBN. Oh, and yun. So technically 6 channels ang talaga yung nakuha niya, no? So 6 channels lang yung nakuha niya. So yung 6 per 7, 143 is 6 channels lang yung cover niya for the 3 hours. So what gagawin natin is to look for another frequency, like yung frequency, second frequency ni ABS-CBN, 485.142. So this time, mag-start tayo doon sa channel 6. Channel 6. Then press menu. Select setting, then installation, then manual search. This time, mapagawin natin yung frequency. another 6 channel. And exit. Press OK ulit. Yes, 6 channel. Ibig sabihin ng total TV is number of channel na i-scan ng isang frequency. So, exit. Okay, so from KBO, lilipan nyo lang siya pataas. Alright, there's another knowledge channel. Knowledge channel, O-Shopping, Asia Novela, Movie Central, Jeepney TV, Mix, then ABS-CBN. Basically na naman, wala tayong GMA7. So para makuha yung GMA7, try muna natin i-scan. General scanning. Using remote ni TV Plus, meron tayong scan button here. So you can press that to scan. Would you like to scan now? Yes. And so in total, we have 6 channel from 647 140 and 6 channel for 485 143. It's 12 channel all in all. So natin kung malalagyan siya. Signal dito sa location namin. So, disclaimer lang, if you search or if you scan your location, depende kasi sa location eh. So, kung konti lang yung signal na nasasagap, it's okay as long as may ABS-CBN. Okay yung TV Plus ninyo since ang TV Plus is ABS-CBN TV Plus. Syempre, at ang TV Plus natin is signal, ang TV Plus natin is tagasagap lang ng signal in digital format. That's why, depende yung nakukuha, depende yung dami na nakukuhang channel sa bawat location kung saan ginagamit yung TV Plus. So, exit. Yung mga ibang channel naman dyan is minsan ang nakalagay is checker, this channel is encrypted by another network. So, hindi natin siya naiiwasan. CNN Philippines, HD 1, so yan. NBA Premium din. So, yan. So, this channel is encrypted by another network. Ibig sabihin yan, there's a chance na yung channel na yun is not technically broadcasting here in the location. That's why nagkakaroon ng ganitong passive message. That's it for today's troubleshooting. So, I hope sana may natutunan kayo sa akin and message nyo lang ako if there's something wrong or may naging problema or kung mayroon kayong ibang concern bukod dito sa ginawa natin ngayon. And magkakaroon ako ng shout out dun sa mga nag-comment sa mga videos na sinasabi nila na masaya yung lolo nila or tatay nila, mother nila, na lolo nila na nakakapanood na sila ng ABS-CBN or nagkaroon ng channel yung TV Plus nila. So hindi na nagkakaroon or hindi na na-stress yung magulang nila or any relatives nila because from them, sobrang mahalaga ang telebisyon. Lalo ng ABS-CBN. Ito ang kung sa iba is wala lang to, pero sa kanila sobrang mahalaga na may napapanood sila sa kanilang telebisyon. So mahalaga ang TV Plus sa atin, guys. So if ever na mangyari man na for any instances, sana naman hindi naman talaga siya hindi naman na mangyayari. I hope and I pray technically kung nga lang ang TV Plus wala manonood sa videos ko. So that's it. Ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen yung mga nag-comment na yan. Anyway, maraming salamat sa panonood. Ano ba yan? Maraming salamat sa panonood ng aking videos. And yun nga, I hope marami kayo natutunan dito sa ating troubleshooting for today. Okay? And if you like the video, just click the notification bell, click the subscribe button, and please comment for another shoutout. Alright, Yalista, this is Yalex, di yung magsasabing you only live once. Bye!